Now welcome back to Town to Home Investment channel. In this channel I try to tell you some of the business that I do here at home, and I stay in Nairobi. I've talked about how I manage popsicle ice machine here at home, and the machine, the ice are being supplied and I get money. It's only M-Pesa, and I'll give you how you can manage this business while in town, and how you can set up some targets that can make you to make profit. So now, today I want to show you Poshomill Business. Now, Poshomill Business is one of the misunderstood business here in Kenya. Most people think this business should be run by people who are old. This is one of the best investment if you have at home, because it monitors itself. It monitors itself. Yes. How does it monitor itself? One thing you should make sure is that you are the one who pays electricity. You are the one who pays electricity. In fact, the diesel Poshomill is very hard to run because you cannot monitor it, because someone can buy his own diesel, but electricity, it's only one. So how you monitor this business is through electricity. How? Now, when someone pours maize here, if he grinds the maize, when one unit passes, you know how much you should have at the end of the day. If one unit passes, if one unit of electricity passes, there's money that should come out. And so you don't need to be here. You can be anywhere. The only thing you monitor is electricity. Make sure that you are the only one who pays the electricity. Because if you can give someone who works here the loophole of paying electricity, he can pay electricity in the token and he won't know if it has worked. So the trick of this business is make sure you are the person who pays electricity. Now, here at home, for you to grind 1 tin of maize, it costs 10 shillings. It costs 10 shillings. So it means that if per day, it will depend with the type of population you have around there. But you know that people at home here, they eat grinded flour. They don't eat that one of Pembe, Jogo, something like that. So here, Poshomill Business works because almost everybody, and people plant maize in this area. So that's why this business is very lucrative here. So now, this is the business. When you go to buy Poshomill, you buy it full like this. Now we have different type of Poshomill. So this one is a single phase Poshomill. This one works with this single line. And then we have that big Poshomill. So what determines the Poshomill is the motor. The motor is very critical here. So this is a single phase motor. But if you are in a population where there are large customers, there are many people, let's say you are operating within a very big market, then this one won't be ideal for you. Now you need a 3-phase Poshomill. The motor is too big and it works very quickly. It can grind a sack within few minutes, but this one, it will grind one sack very slowly. So when you invest in a Poshomill, know the population that you are targeting. If it's a very large area, then what you should do is you should invest in a 3-phase type of machine. Now, what is the cost of this? I think this one, if only buying this can cost you around 120,000. It depends where you are buying it. There are places you can get it at a low price. There are places you can get it at higher price. So this is also one of the best investment you can do while you are in town and at home, because you can monitor it. As long as electricity, you know the units that you bought, all those units has a specific amount of money that should come from the Poshomill. So if you are thinking of venturing at home, Poshomill is one of the best way to invest because you can monitor it when you are away. Thank you.